continuing with snowshoots. You see everything is white and there's a Fuguzi or Fugus behind. It's not actually the real Fugus, it's like Fugus's Estonian cousin, as Top Gear would say. And it's actually, yeah, they're putting the car on the ground now and we're gonna shoot it in this beautiful snowy forest. It's like millimeters. It seems to be an ideal day, like all the trees are snowy, what I really wanted. Yep. We're putting car backwards right now. Yeah. Okay. That's good. And the light is also perfect. It's like it's morning, it's 9 o'clock, the sun just goes up, so it's not very bright and pictures are ideal.
I can switch on the lights also if you want.
Let's do without lights and then with lights.
Okay.
It will look good, yes. Very nice shoot. A very, very clean car, like under the car, inside the car, outside, everything is done so properly. It's really, really good. Hopefully he doesn't scratch it right now there.